need to understand why it's mandatory for you to cut down the negativity. Okay, and if you don't do that, how badly your life is going to be impacted because of that. Today we will be understanding this fact. Okay, and then it goes down to this thing, guys. You need to understand one very tough saying on life. Okay, your thought creates your reality. Okay, listen it once more. Your thoughts create your reality. What does that mean? It means that on a daily basis, or whatever is the thought process which you are carrying, it is going to create the world of possibilities, opportunities, and everything that you will become in life is just going to be because of the thought process which you have. It is that important. That means your future, your existence on this planet, of what you are going to do, that depends on your thought process. That is where, since ages, people have been saying it, great psychologists have been saying it. But what are they saying, guys? It's saying your thoughts create your reality. So whatever you are holding in your brain, that kind of a life you will make. There is no ambiguity in that. And today we would be understanding it in more clear details. But you need to understand this one thing, guys. If there are positive thoughts in your mind, your life is going to be positive. If you feel that you are worthy, if you feel that opportunities come your way, if you feel that you will get all the money in life, you will get all the satisfaction in life, you will get all the success in life. If you feel that, if that is the thought, then it will become your reality. But if you don't have these thoughts, it is not going to come to you. That's where it said, your thoughts create your reality. So it's very important what is running in your brain. Equally, guys, the negative side of this is also true. If you are thinking negative, like, okay, this is not possible, I cannot do it, it is very tough, maybe somebody should help me out with this, I alone cannot do this, it's very challenging, it's very tough, not possible for me, life is always going to not give me credit for the work I do. If you are having these negative beliefs and these are your thoughts, let me tell you, your reality will become the same. The thoughts which you carry, that is going to become your reality in a long run, and you need to understand that. It's mandatory to understand that, guys. Now let me tell you so once you know this fact, then you would be like, okay, how can you dare allow negative people around you? How can you dare allow negative thoughts to run in you? Because if that is the thought running, your future is going to become that. That's how it is mandatory to avoid negativity and feed positivity, because that is what is going to become your life. It will become your life. Now let me tell you how this works. Simple funda, guys. You need to understand how your brain working mechanics are. You need to understand that. And how it happens, guys. First thing, you guys might have purchased a vehicle, right? Two-wheeler, four-wheeler at your home, maybe your friends and all that, right? We like those. Or you might have, everybody has a device, mobile phone these days, right? Everybody has a device, gadgets and technology, equipments, features, this, that. Now, just come to this point, okay? And the fact is, whenever you want to purchase this kind of a vehicle or the gadget, that is the thought which you feed to your brain. And then what happens? After that thought, okay, I need to purchase a device or a vehicle. As soon as you have that thought, just see how your brain works for the next coming time. Very often, you would find your brain to keep searching, like what to purchase, what to purchase. It would look like, okay, who is using what device, what is the price, what is the feature. If it is mobile, you would check with all your friends, like, okay, what feature, is it good, is it bad, this, that. Means the brain is always going to get in those details, even if you don't want it. Be it like you are in any other conversation with your friends, but if your friend is having the phone in his hand and it like, hey, which device you are using. Now what is happening, guys? You have just given a thought to your brain, and the brain is just trying to look for that possibility of the world. Understand it, be with me, it's very serious. Similarly, if you're trying to purchase a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, maybe your family or you, whatever that is, if you're trying to purchase that, when you are on road or when you are in a parking slot, Your brain is continuously going to look for vehicles. Hey, look at that model, look at this model, hey, this is this difference, this is that difference. Now what is happening is the world is all around you, guys. There are a lot of things happening right now in the world around you, but the most dominating thought in your brain is purchasing that device or purchasing that vehicle. Now, what is happening? The brain has narrowed itself to look for only that possibility of the world. Yes or no? Everything is existing. If that purchase thought is not there, you would not even care who is having what devices. You would not even care who is having what vehicles, right? But because of that dominant thought of you want to have it, you want to have it, your brain is going to start looking at only those things and will discard all the other. Maybe in live conversations you will attract only these things. Now what does that mean? That means right now at this moment your reality is purchasing that device or purchasing that vehicle. The friend is sitting next to you right now. For him, that's not the reality, right? He is in his own thoughts, in his own imagination. That means the world around you is the same. The thought process which you carry attracts, prepares its own reality, and then you have your own version of the world. It's very deep, guys. You need to understand this. Everybody in the world right now, even though circumstances would be the same, but everybody will have their own perceptions about the world. Right now, this corona closure time is there for everybody, but some of them might be very depressed, very demotivated. Some are still fine. I am still okay with that because I know how to have a strong mindset against that. I know how to draw boundaries between me getting tweaked in my brain. I know those things. I want you people to understand. Same situations, how people perceive, that means your thought is creating your reality. It might not be the same reality for other people, but it is your reality. Understanding? Very deep, guys, very deep. You need to understand. So, the thoughts which you feed attract and create the reality for you. Second example, every day in the morning, there are many people, right? You might have seen that there are some people who will launch this newspaper and there will be a section there called as Rashi Bhavishya. Or your fortune, what is going to happen to you today. Right, based on something those guys have written something. But now what happens once your brain reads that today this is going to happen to me? All of a sudden what happens? There are 90% chances that no matter what happens throughout the day, your brain would be always trying to relate. Yes, this thing I read in the morning, that's why it's happening. Guys, that day was already there. That reality was already there. Even if you would not have read it, it was already there. But the point is, by reading it, you are forcing to look at that kind of reality. Again, the same conclusion. Your thoughts are creating your reality. Your thoughts are creating your reality. Positive thoughts will create positive reality. You would look at the brighter aspect of the world. You would look at the opportunities in everything in the world. Negative thoughts will really pull you down. You will say that, okay, I am never going to be successful in life. Life is so painful. I don't know what to do. I am always dependent on other people. I cannot make good money. I will not be able to crack the interview. If these are your thoughts, guys, that will become your reality. That will become your reality. Now let's take it to the next step. You might be like, okay, if that is my reality, how does it affect me? Because it's fine if I'm right now, if I have that thought, I'm looking at vehicles, I'm looking at devices, it's fine, but the world is the way it is right now, it's fine. You might be thinking that, right? But we have to understand what's the bigger impact of this. I'll give you a simple case. I think most of you people in this group right now, we want to build up careers in IT, right? We want to do something really great. I have personally spent like 10 plus years in the IT industry. I've led teams. I've done a lot of stuff there. Still, I'm working every single day. That's how my life is. And I'll give you one significant factor. Okay? One very important factor, guys. Now, just imagine the thoughts which you have. If you start looking at the world in that manner, the impacts of that. A simple situation, let's say, okay, in your team or in some parallel team, if you're working in IT, in your team or in some next team to you, there is a situation where like there is maybe some new set